man-made climate change. There could be some impact, but I don't believe it's devastating.
It'll get cooler, it'll get warmer, it's called weather.
We're going to cancel the Paris Climate Agreement.
Nobody really knows. Look, I'm somebody that gets it. And nobody really knows. It's not something that's so hard.
And as the president keeps denying that climate change exists, people all around the world are dying from lack of food, water, and essential natural resources. This, including much more, is the impacts we are already seeing from climate change. So with effects like rising sea level, temperature increases, and the rapid spread of wildfires, global warming is putting more and more people in risk, including California.
Current impacts of global warming in California. According to the article Causes of Global Warming on NationalGeographic.com, there are several greenhouse gases responsible for warming. Most come from the combustion of fossil fuels in cars, factories, and electronic production. The gas responsible for the most warming is carbon dioxide.
So what does this mean for us? As stated on UCSUSA.org, as temperatures rise in the western U.S., wildfires are increasing, wildfire season is getting longer, and costs are soaring. Higher spring and summer temperatures and earlier spring snowmelt result in forests that are hotter and drier for long periods of time. The wildfire season has grown from 5 months on average in the 1970s to 7 months today. In addition to wildfire increase, climate change is affecting residents in coastal counties. According to oag.ca.gov, California's coasts have risen nearly 8 inches in the past century and is projected to rise by as much as 20 to 55 inches by the end of the century. This could put nearly 500,000 people at risk of flooding.
After all these negative impacts, along with so much more, what could we do to prevent further changes from happening? There are many little changes we can do in our daily lives that can help stop climate change in the long run. As we know, greenhouse gases are mainly produced by fossil fuels in cars and electricity production. Based on this evidence, to gradually stop climate change, we can be energy efficient, choose renewable power, and try to limit your use of transportation like cars. The least you could do is get informed and find ways that you can help.